Hello, my name is Jansone. I'm an interior designer and owner of Scenic Interior Designs. We're here at Renovation Flooring and we're going to talk about some bathroom remodel ideas, specifically shower wall and shower floor tile options. We're going to start with two very classic, timeless options, which would be marble. Marble's always in style. For the floor we use smaller scale, and then for the showers we could use a little bigger scale. Both marble, they both match. I would use this for a bigger bathroom just because the scale is bigger for the tiles. The second option is also marble for the flooring, for the smaller tiles, and then we have ceramic tiles on the wall. So that would be probably a little bit cheaper option because we're not using marble on the shower walls. Ceramic is a little cheaper, but the look is still very clean, classic. Can't go wrong with it. The third option is a little bit more bold, masculine, kind of more natural feel. We have slate for the shower floors. I mean, not the shower, the bathroom floors. And you could use that also as the shower wall, like an accent wall. For the shower floors, we have actually these stone pebbles, which have a lot of texture, so they feel nice on the foot and they're not slippery because of that. And then we have the smaller limestone tile that we can use on the sides of the shower wall, just because it's a little bit smaller scale. The next option is very opposite, very feminine. Light colors. We have some texture on the tile itself, which looks beautiful with different light shining at it. And then for the shower floor, we picked out these marble tiles, which you could use actual marble, obviously a little more maintenance and more expensive, or a marble look to them, like a porcelain tile that has that marble veining through them. Very gentle, clean look. If you want to go a little bit more bold, we have two color options for you. We have these beautiful aqua blue tiles which match outside ocean. We have a lot of places here that are right on the beach. And then we match these little penny tiles for the shower floor that would kind of mimic the sand. So you have a little bit of the browns in here and then we bring them in the shower floor. The last option is if you really want to go all pattern, we have blue wave pattern in the floors with this bigger tile. And then we picked out some nice fish skin pattern shower wall tiles that would go good with them. And then for the shower floor, you can use a matching either mosaic 2x2 or hexagon tiles that would match the rest of the floor